Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The upcoming 2025 Lexus VVIP Motorhome is a major entry into the custom luxury travel market, bringing the brand's well-established reputation for high craftsmanship, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology into the mobile home market. This automobile is intended to be a haven of peace and elegance, built for discriminating people who want the utmost in comfort and ease when traveling throughout the countryside. The 2025 Lexus VVIP Motorhome's external styling is anticipated to reflect the brand's modern design language, which is distinguished by refined color schemes, beautiful lines, and subtly aggressive curves. Ambient and functional integrated lighting systems would probably highlight the car's elegant appearance. All residents would find it easy to enter because of the seamless integration of the access, which can include power-operated steps and discreetly integrated grips. Overall, there would be a sense of subtle elegance that alluded to the wealth inside. The interior of the 2025 Lexus VVIP Motorhome is a monument to careful planning and high-quality materials. The living space would probably have soft-touch surfaces, finely carved wood veneers, and luxurious, hand-stitched leather upholstery. Thoughtfully designed to optimize both space and functionality, the layout could include modular furniture groupings to accommodate different needs. An important component of the interior design would be the thoughtfully placed ambient lighting, which would produce a calm ambience. The motorhome's kitchen would be furnished with top-of-the-line appliances that blend in perfectly with a layout that values both style and functionality. Expect features like integrated refrigerated units, convection ovens, and induction cooktops, all of which are completed with high-end materials that complement the overall opulent design. With well-carved tables and cozy chairs, dining rooms would be created for small groups. The 2025 Lexus VVIP Motorhome's sleeping areas would be crafted as secluded havens with a focus on peace and comfort. Anticipate premium beds, exquisite linens, and well-designed storage options. Individual climate controls and integrated entertainment systems would further improve the customized experience in these areas. The motorhome would be at the vanguard of technology, utilizing the most recent developments in entertainment, connectivity, and vehicle control from Lexus. Anticipate the smooth integration of sophisticated audio systems, high-resolution screens, and smart home technology. Additionally, safety would be the top priority, with strong structure and extensive driver assistance features. In accordance with Lexus's set performance and comfort requirements, the powertrain and chassis would be designed to deliver a quiet, smooth, and elegant driving experience. Although the specifications are still unknown, one could expect a strong but effective engine and an advanced suspension system that can absorb irregularities in the road to provide a comfortable ride for all passengers. To sum up, the 2025 Lexus VVIP Motorhome is intended to be a mobile manifestation of the company's basic principles, providing an unmatched luxury vacation experience. It would appeal to anyone looking for a genuinely elegant and sophisticated way to travel the world by combining exquisite design, high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding comfort in a harmonic way.